Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The power is complemented by the capability for a performance character befitting of this luxury leader. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: twin-turbo V6 engine, height-adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, streaming audio, remote engine start, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, heated steering wheel, auto tilt-away steering column, and power heated mirrors. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.